Are you ready to transform your LinkedIn ads from a guessing game into a data-driven powerhouse? In this video, we're diving into how to use Looker Studio to unlock the full potential of your LinkedIn ads, so you can stop wasting ad spend and start seeing real results. First, you'll need to connect your LinkedIn ads account to Looker Studio on the Looker Studio homepage. Click Create, then select Data Source. Search for LinkedIn ads in the connector gallery and authorize Looker Studio to access your LinkedIn ads data. Now that you're connected, it's time to create your first report. Click Create again, but this time select Report. Looker Studio will prompt you to add data to the report. Select the LinkedIn ads data source you just connected. Now comes the fun part, visualization. Start by adding a simple chart to track your campaign performance. Click Add a Chart and choose a time series chart. Drag and drop the chart onto the canvas and configure it to display metrics like impressions, clicks, and cost over time. Next, let's analyze your audience. Add a pie chart to visualize the demographic breakdown of your audience, such as job title or industry. Click Add a Chart and select a pie chart. Configure the chart to display the number of impressions or clicks, broken down by the relevant demographic dimension. Finally, use tables to get a detailed view of your campaign performance. Set a table and include key metrics like CTR, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. Customize your report with filters and date ranges to focus on specific campaigns, time periods, or audience segments. Use the filter control to easily drill down into your data. And that's it. You've now got a powerful dashboard to track and analyze your LinkedIn ads performance in Looker Studio. Remember to experiment with different chart types and metrics to uncover valuable insights and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact.